multiple choice question. And then you can keep the card or force it onto one of your opponents to bust them out or to make their hand worse. You'll receive 100 points for each correct answer and 500 points for winning the round. Plus, if you're the first player of the day to get a 21 exactly, you will win this. A 3-night, 4-day stay for two at the Atlantis Casino Resort Spa. Reno's newest resort experience features newly designed rooms, an award-winning spa, and a unique steakhouse. All right, guys, you guys ready? All right, here we go. Krista, you got 100 points here on the board. In control, looking for a 3. Mickey, deal the card.
It's a 3.
It's a 3. Krista, what are you going to do with that?
I'm going to keep that.
Going to keep it, giving her 11. All right, here we go. What country's first lady quipped, "When I have my photo taken, I don't say cheese, I say sex"? Mexico's Margarita Calderon, France's Carla Bruni Sarkozy, or the United States' Nancy Reagan? Christina.
Sarkozy.
And that is correct. You got 100 points. You're in control.